Welcome to the fascinating world of trains, where we'll explore some mind-blowing and little-known facts about these incredible modes of transportation.
Did you know that the very first steam-powered train was built in 1804 by an engineer named Richard Trevithick?
Japan's famous Shinkansen, also known as the bullet train, can reach speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour.
The longest railway in the world is the Trans-Siberian Railway in Russia, stretching over 9,289 kilometers.
Trains are over 20 times more fuel efficient than cars when it comes to transporting the same number of passengers.
In Switzerland, the Glacier Express covers 291 bridges and 91 tunnels in its 8-hour scenic journey through the Alps.
The London Underground, also known as the Tube, was the first underground railway in the world, opening in 1863.
Maglev trains use magnetic levitation to float above the tracks, eliminating friction and allowing astounding speeds.
The United States has the largest rail network in the world, covering around 140,000 miles of track.
Did you know that the longest freight train ever recorded was over 7 kilometers long, operated by BHP Iron Ore in Australia?
In the early days of railroads, a cow catcher was a device attached to the front of locomotives to clear obstacles. The first American-built steam locomotive was the Tom Thumb, constructed by Peter Cooper in 1830.
The Orient Express was a famous long-distance passenger train service that began in 1883, known for luxury travel across Europe.
The Channel, or Channel Tunnel, connects the UK and France, and is one of the longest undersea tunnels in the world.
Many modern trains are powered by electricity obtained from overhead lines or onboard generators.
Train horns have special codes. A short horn means a warning, while 2 long blows signal the train is heading forward.
China's Beijing-Guangzhou high-speed railway is the world's longest high-speed rail line at about 2,298 kilometers.
In 1970, Japan pioneered the first high-speed rail service with the introduction of their Shinkansen. The Indian Railways is the largest employer in India, operating nearly 7,000 passenger trains and transporting over 23 million people daily.
Did you know that during World War II, trains played a critical role in logistics and transport for the Allied forces?
The Hogwarts Express, featured in the Harry Potter series, is a real steam train called the Jacobite in Scotland.
High-speed trains have revolutionized travel, reducing travel times significantly between major cities around the world.
Trains have a dedicated community of enthusiasts known as rail fans, who track, photograph, and model train operations worldwide.
The iconic Union Pacific Big Boy is the largest steam locomotive ever built, weighing over 600 tons.
Many countries are investing in high-speed rail to reduce fossil fuel use and traffic congestion.
Did you know that the New York City subway is one of the oldest and most extensive public transit systems globally?
The Bayer Garrett is a type of steam locomotive that was articulated for better traction and balance on rough terrain. With newer, quieter trains, some countries are trying to improve the impact of railways on the environment and urban settings. Trains can carry vast quantities of goods efficiently, which is why they are crucial to freight transport across continents.
The Flying Scotsman, built in 1923, was the first steam locomotive officially authenticated at 100 miles per hour.
Rail gauges, the standard distance between rails on a track, vary across regions, impacting train interchangeability. Not all trains are for transport. Some are designed purely for luxury travel, like the lavish Venice Simplon Orient Express.
Levitation technology for trains, like maglev, makes them practically immune to weather-related delays compared to traditional rail. The first railway dining car debuted in the 1860s, transforming long-distance train travel with onboard meal services.
Improved rail safety technologies, like automated signals and track equipment, have greatly reduced train accidents in recent years.
Trains have made significant progress in accessibility, with modern designs allowing easier access for passengers with disabilities.
The Gone train in Australia is a celebrated adventure along the vast landscapes from Adelaide to Darwin.
British inventor George Stephenson is known as the father of railways for his pioneering work in early train design. The word train comes from the Old French word traîner, meaning to drag or to pull.
The collective term for the rail infrastructure and vehicles combined is aptly called the railway system.
And there you have it. Trains are not just transportation, they are a testament to human ingenuity and progress. See you on the next journey.